We had a lot of plans, very bad plans, and we wanted to remove this government from this. But we know that was indoctrination. It was a bad plan, and I thank God that I'm here.
I was originally NRM, like my colleagues said. I had also some grievances, and when my brothers, particularly him, came to me, he convinced me a lot, and I joined NUP. But when I saw him again come back home, I had to rethink, and after great discussion, I'm back home.
You are most welcome. We are going to work together, not just for the NRM, but for the good of our country. Ekibanga owe NRM okujoininga oba okwegatta ku kibiina ekirala abataguliddwa, lwaki omuntu alowooza nti okuva mu kibiina ekirala okuddamu NRM oba ogulibwa bugulibwa?
We have members who have been standing as flag bearers of various political parties for parliament and have decided to join the NRM, withdraw from the race, join the NRM and support our flag bearers and the party. Some people are not happy with what we are doing, but I don't expect them to applaud me or applaud anyone who joins us. There has been this rumor that we buy these people. I mean, how much would you buy a PhD holder? These are people for whom we have had a deep conversation about the future of this country. And it has not been an event. It's a process. And we continue talking. And by the way, we are going to have more and more and more joining as long as we continue talking and clarifying with people. We should stop abusing people, blackmailing people for changing political positions. It has been done before, and it will continue.
7 June. Good job and happy New Year.